Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video we're going to be talking about some very inexpensive items at the Dollar General using digital coupons. I made a video like this last week, very newbie friendly, and a lot of people really enjoyed this video. So I'm going to try this again this week, all new digital coupons. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, how to, load your coupons, scan coupons with the Dollar General app, please watch this video. I'll link it at the very end. It's a little tutorial on how to use the app to scan in store. Cuts out any sort of guesswork of did I grab the right product, so on and so forth. It's just pretty easy peasy 1, 2, 3 ABC kind of couponing, and you can do this any day of the week right up until Saturday the 2nd of April. So the first product we're going to be looking at is the VapoCools. This is a cough drop. So look for this in the medicine aisle. And we have a $1 digital coupon, top right-hand corner. That's the coupon you're going to have to load. Sorry, it's this weird Phantom of the Opera lighting where everything's so dark in this store. But a $2 product with that $1 digital, it's $1 after everything is said and done. If you want to open up your Dollar General app so you can see that you have that digital coupon, just scan this barcode and you will be in business. Okay, so in the dollar spot of the Dollar General, they have this little box of 20 drops of these cough drops by Vixx or Vixx Drops, whatever you call it. And that $1 digital is also attaching to said product. So it will make this product completely free. So that is really great. Again, found in the dollar spot at the Dollar General. Sorry guys, I didn't take a very clear photo of this, but if you type in the UPC search barcode at the top of where you're going to scan products, it'll tell you the quantities and how many your store has. Some stores don't carry this product, so if not, just get the bag of VapoCool drops. If not, get this one from the dollar spot. Okay, this next product, a little bit more out of pocket, but I think it's totally worth it. This Secret Dry Spray is $6.50. It's a newer product, and we have a very generous $3 digital coupon. So it'll drop this product down to $3.50, which is really fantastic. So $3.50 for a dry spray, not too shabby. Obviously better if you put it on a Saturday 5 off of 25, but if you just want to go in the store and grab this for $3.50, it's also not the worst deal. And here is the UPC if you would wish to scan it from home. Does my store have this? Yes or no? And it's found in the regular deodorant aisle. Okay, and now we have the Suavitel fabric softeners, and these are very sizable bottles. They did not chintz out this week on this promotion. So these two are $3 a pop. We have a very generous $2 coupon. That's expiring on Saturday, so definitely use it or lose it. You'll pay $1. So you can either get the yellow or the blue one. A lot of people say this is very comparable to Downy. It is very nice to do laundry. And here is the UPC for the blue bottle if you wish to open up your Dollar General app and give this a little scan, just so you'll get a feeling at home, like how does this work, blah, blah, like what coupons do I load? It's pretty simple. So this is the blue scent. And here's our friend Mr. Yellow. So whichever one, $1 for a big thing of fabric softener, that is a really good price point. And then for all of you out there that like your home to smell really nice, we have this Glade Plug for $3.50. We have a $2.50 digital coupon. Again, this one's expiring on Saturday, so that's a very quick turnaround. It's going to make this $1. So you get the plug and the oil. That is a little something called magic. And here is the UPC if you wish to scan this in the comforts of your home. I believe there's also some summer scents, but I could not find any to scan. I know that a lot of you really like the cool summer scents. So if you wanted to look for those, maybe on an end cap, but $1 for this, it's not the worst deal. Now, I will let you guys know, I was in the Dollar General last Saturday doing deals and so on and so forth. Around 1 o'clock, I got kicked out of the app. And if you were planning on buying any of these products on Saturday with a 5 off of 25, I would definitely write a little list and then your phone number and then what you have loaded and try and remember. But for whatever reason, between like about 11 and 4 o'clock, a lot of us are having problems with this app. I think there's just a lot of people trying to save money at the Dollar General. However, if you're going to go and do these deals like earlier in the week, like Tuesday to right to Friday, obviously you will not have any problems in store. It's just when a whole lot of people are using the app, we tend to get like locked out and it's really kind of weird. I hope this video was helpful and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.